Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold and silver. See, gold yesterday again has achieved the highs of 1800 and that was the target 1801 precisely it is achieved. Likewise, silver after giving a bullish move day before, it has consolidated a bit and has again come back to the support levels at 2040. Now what is going to happen today? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicator. First we'll look into gold followed with silver, and yes, the next update on gold will be up before the US cash session along with Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones analysis. Do watch that also. Do watch till the end and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. And if you look at the hourly charts of gold, it is looking to come back to this support levels at 1790, and once it reaches 1790, you can stay short and see how it is trying to trade, and possibly once it reaches the support line, we can expect it to come back till towards 1786 and 1784. Below that, it may break heavily down. Directional movement is bullish, but it is willing to converge. Stochastic is at bottom. MACD has crossed over. It is wide, divergent and bearish. RSI is looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour chart, it is looking forward to give you a fall, but then the support at 1790 is strong. Once it breaks below 1790, then only you can expect that it may come back till towards 1786, 1784, and then below that we may see a drop. And remember, it has seen a top there, it has seen a high there, it has again come back to the support levels at 1795, and once it showed the breakout, achieved 1800 levels. So possibly I'll be again looking forward to a drop. Let's see if it does. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bearish crossover here. RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar is the story on the 3-hour chart. See, right now it is trying to trade within this channel. The support here at 1790 is strong. With the support at 1790, it is trying to trade in this channel. So now if it breaks below 1790, yes, you can go short and then expect it to trade below till towards 1786-84 zone, and then towards 1778-80 zone. Yes, if you see it trading above 1795, you can stay long again. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, almost similar. See, one more point to observe here is consistently lower highs, well aligned lower highs. Also this time it is giving a breakout, and hence you can expect that it is going to drop. So yes, you can take a short entry. I will again recommend you to go short with the stop loss at 1795, and above 1795 no other choice but to go long. So yes, you can go short at 1790. The stop loss should be at 1795, and yes, if you see it trading above 1795, no other choice but you have to go long. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is comfortable. MACD is willing to converge again. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts also similar is the story. Now look at the previous two candles. A strong bullish candle, then a almost sideways candle where neither the bulls were in charge, neither were the bears failed to take the control there, and accordingly now this time it is trying to retrace. Be watchful here till 1784-85. Once it drops below this, then you can consider that a strong fall can come, which might bring it till towards 1778-75, and if it drops below this, then only it will crash. Else it might try to give you a flag formation, or it might try to give you likewise this lower highs higher lows, or lower highs lower lows are possible. When I say lower highs lower lows, yes, it can again try to attempt and achieve till towards 1798 1800 levels and drop from there. There is a high possibility of that. Till then, for now it appears it might trade bearish. It can achieve the lows at around 1785-84, and in fact if it drops below 84, we can see a further drop till towards 1778-80 zone, which is a good support zone. And yes, a long entry above 1795 can be taken, but remember, above 1795 still it has got 1798 and 1803 zone, which is going to give it a very strong resistance. Only if it breaks past 180103 zone, you can consider that as extremely bullish, and then you can stay long for 1808 1810, and then 1820 levels will come into picture. Very strong resistance there. So yes, this is the update here. And if you look at the direction, stochastic entering into overbought levels. Directional movement is bullish. MACD is bullish. RSI is near to top. And let's also have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly chart, see what it has done till now is it has achieved the high. See, where are the highs? If you connect the dots, almost 1803, 1804 levels are the highs, and the support there at 1775 is going to be there. So probably it can retrace till there and bounce back from there. This is highly possible. So for the day, again I'll say yes, you can go short at 1790, but then always put the stop loss at cost. Once you see it trading at 1788, 86 itself, just in couple of dollars, you have to shift your stop loss to cost. And once again, see 1790 to 1795, rather avoid this zone, and above 1795, yes, you can take a long entry, but then you have to be cautious for 1798, 1801. See, we are looking forward to a in this zone, that is between 1780 to 1801, 1803, we have to be very, very cautious. It can swing a bit between these levels today, so you have to take your positions accordingly. Go short at 1790, then you can expect 1786, 84, and then 1780, 78. Once it breaks below 78, you can still expect it to get 1775. Below that, yes, it may crash heavily. Below 1775, yes, you can expect it to drop for 1750 levels. On the upside, if it breaks past 1795, go long, but then 1801, 1803 zone, and then 1808, 1810 zone should give it a very strong resistance, but you can still enjoy the movement. And when you know that there is going to be a swing, you have to always trade with the stop loss and keep trailing your stop loss to cost. For gold, couple of dollars move is good enough for it to shift the stop loss at cost at least, and then accordingly you can make or increase your profits. Even if you are able to book $2 of move with every trade, then also it will be sufficient for you to increase your wealth. So trade accordingly. Do not trade between 1790 to 1795. Go short at 1790. Go long above 1795. Be cautious of 1801. Be cautious of 1783, and trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver, as I said day before, that it has seen the wall out there at 2075, and after that wall it is strongly retraced. Now it is, and we all know that the support there is 2040 is strong. So yes, if it breaks past 2040, you can further go short. Then I look forward to 2030 as the support, and then 2020 levels will come. So these numbers you must have remembered till now: 2030, 2020, 2040. So till 2020 we can expect it to act little bit bearish, but below 2020 we can expect a sharp drop. Also look at this, 2040 should be a very strong support. Now look at the hourly charts. Only long entry I'll recommend is if you see it trading above 2055. So between 2055 and 2040, do not trade. Directional movement willing to cross over for a sell. A stochastic looking downward. MACD is in sell. It is looking forward to converge. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, you'll find after the retracement it is trying to resume the bearish journey. But if it reverses from here, then we can expect that it will continue with this upward trending channel, and then we can expect 2060 levels to be the high here. So yes, do not short anything till the time you see it below 2040, and do not long anything till the time you see it trading about 2055. But then 2060 very strong resistance, and beyond that only you can see it flying high. Directional movement is still bullish. It is trying to converge crossover. Stochastic is also comfortable. MACD is bearish here. It is divergent also. RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the similarly at the 3-hour chart, similar is the story. Once you see it above 1755, yes, remember 2055, yes, remember 2060 is a very strong resistance. Beyond 2060 you can see it flying till towards 2070 levels, and then it will rise high. Below 2040 we can see a good short entry. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is at bottom. The MACD has crossed over here on the 3-hour charts, and it is a bearish crossover, and hence I think it should continue with this bearish momentum for a little while. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, see after the little retracement, this is the first red candle. I will expect it to give couple more red candles. See, there was a liquidity gap. If you see in price action terms, there was a liquidity gap as it has given strong bullish candles, and now probably it will try to come back till towards 2030, 2020 levels. So go short at 2040 itself. Expect it to drop till towards 2030, 2020, and if it breaks 2020, there could be a stronger drop. And if you look at the daily chart, similarly on the daily chart, see the red candle is started to form. It has formed the double top. After the double top, this is the first red candle, and now it is trying to drop. So probably it can come back till towards 2030, 2020 levels. I look forward to a drop. Do not short anything, and yes, do not long anything till it is below 2055. Only long entry is above 2055, then you can stay long, and then 2060, be cautious of 2060. Then beyond that we can see it flying for 2070, 2080 levels, and beyond that 2100 is there. on the cards. Downside, yes, be watchful of 2020. Once it drops below 2020, you can expect it to fall more. See on the weekly charts, it is seen the highs there. Now, and these are well connected. It is trying to retrace from there. If a drop comes here, the drop is going to be good enough, sharp enough for it to give you higher lows and can come back till towards 1960 also. So be cautious, be watchful, and go short at 2040, go long about 2055. Take your positions accordingly, trade profitably, and trade with a stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. If you want to join mentorship batch or VIP signals group, reach out to me. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you.